Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a successful business person you know. You should say who this person is, how you knew him or her, what business he or she does, and explain why he or she is successful. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. It's a very common tendency that when you get a question like this, you think about all the famous business people that you know of, maybe like Mukesh Ambani or maybe Ratan Tata or maybe Mark Cuban. So all of these entrepreneurs come to our mind. But if you are choosing any of these, you need to have a very good background and knowledge about all of these people. So if you do not have that much knowledge and information about them, then do not use them for this type of question. Rather, you can actually speak about someone from your personal experience, maybe your uncle or maybe your cousin, maybe some of your relatives whom you actually know of and you have seen them, so you can describe the business better and not fall short of ideas. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. A successful businessman is a person who is able to accomplish the company goals and aspirations as well as earns profit for a firm during a financial year. And today I would like to talk about my uncle, Mr. Pawan Gill, who is the owner of Gill Cement Industries. So accomplish means to fulfill. Goals means objectives or motives. And financial year is a business specific term which means the year in which you have earned the revenue. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, he is my father's best friend since school days and I know him since birth. Mr. Gill had set up his firm at a very young age with just few employees and selling only cement, which was their sole product, to builders and construction workers. So, sole product means that was their only product. So, we have used a better vocabulary word here. Alright, so let's continue. However, with his hard work, commitment, and dedication, the firm has expanded to a large extent and currently employs over 1,000 workers as well as supplies all kinds of building materials, including cement, gravel, timber, concrete, and steel, not just to India but also to countries outside the nation. So as you all can see, we have used some very good adjectives here like commitment, dedication. Also, we have avoided repeating the word business again and again. We have used business, corporation, firm, company. Also for workers, we have used employees as a synonym. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, the company has steep profit margins and high turnover rates, contributing further to its affluence. So, steep means high. So, we have used a better vocabulary word. And affluence means to the prosperity of the business or to the success of the business. So we have answered the first three questions, which is who this person is, how you knew him or her, and what business he or she does. In fact, we have given a very good and relevant elaboration for the third question, which is what business he or she does. Now, the last question, which is explain why he or she is successful, still remains. So let's answer that. He also offers great compensation benefits to his workers, along with the added perks of an annual international vacation package offered to the outstanding employee at the corporation. So, compensation benefits mean salaries or remuneration. Perks means added advantages, and outstanding means someone who has performed very well. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I feel that he is a modest human being, treats and respects his workmen equally, and also supports them during times of need, all of which have contributed to the overall growth, fame, and success of his enterprise and made him a lucrative entrepreneur. So, modest means someone who is grounded, humble. Contribute means to add to something. Enterprise is another synonym for saying firm or business. And entrepreneur means businessman. Lucrative means someone who is wealthy, has lots of money. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.